Hey guys, I hope you're well. Welcome to the video. Peace be upon you all. Just wanted to pop in and say that this video was filmed on the 29th July, but it's going live on the 17th of November, Sunday, 2024. Alhamdulillah, I'm operating still in the same year, but yeah. So yeah, I just wanted to pop in and say that. Enjoy the video. Hey guys, what's up? What's happening? I hope you all are well. It has been forever since I uploaded on my channel, and unfortunately I have a content, but I just don't I haven't edited it yet, so I'm I'm going to do that. Then inshallah I'll upload that, then this video will go up, and then I have a few, then of course I'll start properly recording videos and then uploading them, inshallah. I'm just slowed down in life, to be honest. I was forced to slow down in life, but yeah, alhamdulillah, I'm building myself back up. And yeah, so today I have a unboxing video. So first let's go over the receipt. This is basically, as you can see, it's a zikr ring, world's first smart Tasbih zikr ring. This is the receipt, iQibla smart Tasbih. It was around 4,000 rupees, inshallah. So I ordered dark brown, but actually the guy ringed me, and then he said, yeah, we don't have that in stock, so would you accept black? I was like, okay, fine, because I was actually originally going to buy in black, but then I was like, you know what, dark brown looks good, so I bought it in dark brown. But basically, this was quite expensive, to be honest. And there's also one available for 20,000, so inshallah I'm going to buy that next. I'll make a video on that as well, but that's really advanced. I didn't need something that advanced, so I just bought this for the time being. But yeah, so this is the zikr ring. It's made in Dubai. If we check the back, it's designed in Dubai, made in China, of course. Yeah, so it's designed in Dubai. So inside you get the smart zikr ring and the USB cable, and there's the app that you connect it to, which inshallah I will be showing you in this video. Some things that it has Tasbih counter, it has the prayer notifications, it has the iQibla Life app. It has 3 days battery life, which is good, but I hope it'll last longer, because I'm only going to use it for the Tasbih counter. And then it also has an OLED time display. And yeah, let's get into this. I already took off the seal. Will this? Yeah, so it opens up like this. I have not opened it so far. Wow, very nice. You can see that. Oh wow, this is very nice material. Feels like paper, but it feels like premium paper. There's the device. If I guess I lift this up, yeah, so that's foam. This is the device, that's the charging cable. Fire bhi aaja. There we go. And that's the bottom of the box. Actually, that's the user manual. That's not the bottom of the box, I think. Yeah, that isn't. But first, take a look at the charging cable. I actually, comment down below what you expect this to be. I think it's going to be micro USB. Moment of truth. I'm gonna have to tear this, to be honest. Oh, this is really old-fashioned. Wow. Anyways, at least they have sent us something. Anyways, let's move on to the actual ring. Wow. So this is the biggest one. Yeah, it barely goes on my finger, but yeah, this is the biggest. There's nothing bigger than this. Let's take this off. Wow, look at the bezel. Oh my god. But yeah, I don't know how to turn this on. Maybe if we just click this, or like, is there anything else? Wow, the material is really good. It feels very solid. Maybe if I hold this. Hello, anyone home? Yeah, I probably should take a look at the user manual. I'll do that, and then I'll get back to you. Alright then guys, so I am back. I thought that I would be gone for a few hours, because I thought that the ring was out of charge, so I thought that I needed to charge it. But turns out, as soon as I plugged it in to charge it, basically, which I plugged it into a computer, do not plug it into like your phone's adapter or anything like that. It will fry. It will fry it. Basically, it came up like this, as you can see at the top. stating that the battery is full. So yeah, so we can disconnect this charger. Oh my god, I love how the other ones, they have the magnetic case like your AirPods. This one is just, I feel like it can break at any moment, because you can see like there's a small pin in there. I don't want that to get bent or anything like that. Anyways, this is my phone that I was just filming with, and the reason why I'm filming with my other phone is because this one is out of charge. As you can see over here, this is the one that I want to buy, inshallah. Where is it? No, yeah, this one, Ring Flex Pro. I think that this is the one, but yeah, inshallah I want to buy this one, inshallah, soon. Anyways, back to the Ring. Basically, I want to pair this with my phone. Add device, there we go, Bluetooth search. Why do you need all this? Okay, give me a second. So here it's searching. As you can see, it's actually picked it up already. I want to focus on this a bit better. Hold on a second. I have it sideways because I don't want a kink in my cable. This cable I want to have it looking fresh for as long as possible. Wow, you can see the blue light filter, subhanallah. And yeah, I'd like to connect this, and there we go, it has connected. So screen flip, custom tasbih, find ring. Let's see what that does. Find ring. Can you hear it? It's just vibrating. It's vibrating. And yeah, this is really cool. I want to see if this goes up when I press on the thing. Oh wow, right now it's showing me the time and everything. So if I press on this, it should go up over there, right? Wow, there's a slight delay, but it does. And the click sounds so good. Listen to this. Wow, that sounds amazing. And it also vibrates. Like, let's say if I take this to 100, watch it vibrate. Okay, it vibrated at 99, which is really cool, yaar. I can change the name and everything, and screen sleep time 10 seconds, and language. No. Oh, language. Yeah, English. There we go. And very nice, yaar. Mashallah. I really like. Meow Bella likey. What's this? I think this is how many times you recite, I guess. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this small, short unboxing video of this new ring that I have. Inshallah, when I get the new one, when I get the, of course, the top of the line one, inshallah I'll make a similar video in regard to that. But alhamdulillah, for the time being, this is perfect for me. And yeah, 7:30, battery is full. My nails aren't big. I'm not sure why it looks big. I literally just cut them. Anyways, it's been a while, but like a few hours. Okay, but anyways, this is amazing. Inshallah, I'm going to have how do I reset this? By holding on it. That's amazing. Mashallah, I figured something out myself. So I'll probably have this over here. Oh, I can't bend my finger, else I don't want to break this. Oh, still can't bend it. Yeah, you can tell that this isn't for my size. I'll probably keep it over here, and then just you know what I mean. And then probably I will wear this on my left hand, like right over here. Actually, that's not. Yeah, right. Probably right over there is best. And then yeah. Anyways, with that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Inshallah, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace be upon you all. Allah Hafiz. Fi aman Allah.